Welcome back. In this screencast, we are going to quickly define the URL for our page, as well as we are going to define the About Us page model also. So to do that, the very first thing what we are going to do is, let's say if we are clicking on this particular logo, so it should redirect to the home page. So currently there is nothing, there is a hash. So we are going to give the root path for the project so that it should redirect to the home page. And here for home also, let's give the root path with the project. And for about, we are going to define the About Us page. So we have already configured, we have already added the about.html in our template. So we are going to give about for About Us and contact for Contact Us. And after that, what we are going to do is we are going to open the models.py, and for About and Contact Us page we are going to write our model. So first let's start with the About. So we can say class about models.model, and let's have the two fields here. So title models.char field, and let's give max length 200 and take a text models dot text field, and we are not going to define any character limit, and take self and return title. Right. So since we have updated our models, we need to do make migration and migrate. So open the terminal and close the server, and you can give python manage.py make migrations. So you can see the about model has been make migration has been happened. So python manage.py migrate, put it into the database. So now it's showing in the database. Now we run the server, manage.py run server. So let's refresh this page. Hopefully you should see the, so it's not coming, right? So how we are going to bring it in the admin panel is, if the way we have did it for the post, same approach we are going to take it for the About Us page also. So to do that, open the admin.py. So you have admin.py here, and we are going to register the about model also. So we are going to say admin.site register about, and you just call the about, import the about also here. And if you refresh this page, hopefully you should see the about here. So now what we are going to do here is, we are going to write some content for the About Us page. So let's say all about, so you can say About Us and take some dummy content. So let's take this same content, copy this and paste it here and save it, right? So one the About Us page, the small content we have added, the same way we need to add it for the template also. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to open the about us page, about.html page which we have made, and we are going to write it this one, I mean call this particular data from the database. So to do that, open your about.html, and we have already extended the base HTML. Here also you take a block content. So to do that, take the content block content, and you and width and block, sorry, and block. And what we are going to do here is take the container so that it will come in formatted way. And if let's say you have multiple same way we have did it for the post, so let's say if you have multiple content for the about, you can take it into the you can call all the content on the HTML page template of the about us page. So for you call the data, so let's say for about, let's say me object in about me, we need to define this into views, right? So we'll define it just now. So and for, and here what we are going to do is we are going to take one about h2 tag, and let's take a paragraph, and in paragraph let's say about me object text. Now what we are going to do is, since we have created our template, if you are going to refresh this page, so what will happen is you will get some error because the views is not configured. So to update the views, open your views.py, which is inside blog app, and what is that, this one, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to define a function def about request, and same stuff we need to, because we have to about underscore me. So if you want to change about underscore me, you can take whatever you want. So but need to ensure you are taking the same thing which you have defined in the template. So open views.py and about underscore me, and call the class which is about class. Means if you go into the model, so you have about class, right? So about dot objects dot all, and render it, return render request, and call the template. So template is basically inside blog for slash about .html. So you write about .html and define the dictionary. So it is going to be about underscore me, right? And about underscore me, right? So this is the same thing we are defining here with about underscore me variable which we have defined. So we are calling the same thing. Similarly, you can also define the contact page. So to define the contact function, so you can also write define def contact request, and you are going to say, let's say currently we are just simply rendering a page, so return request, sorry, return render request blog contact.html, right? And you can define it later. So if you refresh the page here, hopefully you should see some content, but there is no content is coming. Might be server is not running. It says blog invalid syntax, about underscore me, about me. We have made some error. Let's find out. Let's open the IDE, and okay, we have missed the colon here, so comma here. So let's refresh this page, close the server and run the server again, and so our page, it says URL conf definition. Okay, URL is not defined. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to define the URL. So to define the URL, we are going to open the URL.py, which is inside blog app, and we are going to write, this is where our about us page is available. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to write the about configure the about URL. So let's, instead of typing, let's copy this and paste it here, and even paste it for the contact also, since we have already added the contact page. So here views dot, it should be about, and here it should be contact, right? And here it's not going to be on home page, so this is going to be on, sorry, about, and this is going to be contact, right? And we are going to define a name called about, and this one is contact, right? So hopefully now it should display. So if you open, it says global name about is not defined. What global name about is not defined in the sense, let's open, so might be we have made some spelling mistake. Okay, we missed the dollar sign here, because that's where the URL is going to be. And so let's refresh this page. Okay, global name about is not defined. Let's open views.py, and here we have to call it our post about contact, right? Contact is not there, I believe, in model. Yes, contact is not there. So refresh this, Yes. So now even the data which is coming on about, but it's not coming on about, it's highlighting the about home section. So to remove the confusion, what we are going to do is we are going to make it inactive, this one. So remove this active class here, and if you refresh this one, yes. So now if you click on logo, you will come to the home page. If you again click on the home, you will come to home page. If you click on about, you will come to the about us page. Contact is not there, so to make the contact page also some of the content, what we are going to do, we are going to add the same contact block content and block, and with the some of the content. So block content and block, and let's say take a h2 tag, contact us, and let's give the name. So h3, let's say hello Django, right? And you can give the email ID. So email info@hellodjango.com, and if you refresh this page, hopefully you should see the content. Okay, again this is not inside the container, that is the reason it is coming extreme left. So we need to get inside the container. So take it container block and cut this out and paste it inside the container. So now if you refresh, you should see, right? So we have configured our URL, we have configured the about page, contact page, and in coming screencast we are going to render the forms, this form. So let's say if you are going to write a post, then you should see the same post when in the front page also, or let's say create or edit page for the blog, right? So see you in the next one.